Yo, what's good, man? Dre had Lou. Got another reaction. People versus nature fails. People be having bad luck.
I'd like to report a light, sunny day today with light showers, maybe.
Damn near got struck. Better go inside the crib. I looked at mad close. I ain't gonna lie. Did she get struck?
She's going.
That what I wonder how strong that water be coming down. Like if you was to stand like close to it, probably mad strong. But that is.
Oh my god!
Hold on.
Oh my god!
The whole beach about to fall apart. Get up out of there. Oh nah. I ain't never had. Whoa. I ain't never had no hell like that. That hell is crazy. I ain't never seen no hell like that. That's crazy. Breaking windshield. Damn. Bro, I would have been tight. There ain't nothing you could do either.
Oh, you're not looking back? Oh, cousin, bye-bye. Oh, one more time. On the hole.
That boy died. They got. What happened? Boy dumping water out his car.
Holy crap. Oh,
The hell is bouncing off the ground like it's
busted my
like some balls or something. Like what type of hell is that?
Holy crap.
That's crazy.
Oh my god.
Oh yeah, he done.
Did you see that?
Took him out.
Did you just see that?
Damn. Bro, where's they at?
Heavenly Father, please help us.
Bro,
Please
where's
help us to be safe.
that look crazy. Where's that at? Oh, that look crazy. He fell face first into. Bro, I know he knocked out. He probably knocked out in the water. Like, oh nah, he had fell shoulder first. Looked like he hit his face though. Dropping it. Bad luck. How would drop? How would break at that time? Damn, the whole camera got wet.
Oh, she still got the camera. Oh, there's a bigger one coming. Oh my god. This way, come on. Oh my god. The hail is like baseballs here. It is ruining our house.
That's creepy. Yeah, I ain't never seen no hell like that. I don't know where this at. Coming through the house? I can't imagine that. That's crazy.
We've got holes in the roof. Everywhere. They are the size of baseballs. Holy
You can't go outside in that for real. You go, nah. If it's coming through houses and breaking windows like that. Yeah, you go out, you get hit in the head with those. Over for real. I can You gotta stay with a football helmet out there, something, or one of those hard baseball caps, just in case. That's crazy.
Oh my god, baby, the bloody London body missed you. Holy bloody mother, I got.
What?
Oh my god.
What language is that? she's talking about?
Balls. Holy
That can't be no language. Yeah, get up out of there. This must be a tornado or something. What type of wind that is? Yeah, that gotta be like a tornado. And they still standing right there. The stop sign spinning. Bro, is that wind? Oh, that's rain? That's rain and wind? That rain is crazy.
I love BetterHelp. Therapy has truly changed my life.
I've been in and out of therapy with BetterHelp for a few years.
You know her whole trunk was wet. I know her whole trunk was wet. Mad water dropping in there. They moving a little too slow. Oh, that's crazy.
That's gone.
Bro, what is they on? That's a water house or something? Or a house near the shore? Struck the whole tree. It looked, that's crazy. Catching it up close like that. Imagine if somebody was under that. That would have been crazy. How the whole building just... Whole building fell apart like that?
Holy I got it!
No, it is. How then? That's crazy.
And right down here is the penis of snow my wife found. What is that again, honey?
Step outside, he's done. You can't even pull your phone. You pull your phone out. Your phone will definitely get cracked. Man, people who don't got no driveways, I know they be hurt. They be stressed. No, can't even stand up right. He can't even drink. Why he trying to drink it like that? Bro, you slow. He really, like, it's obviously not working. Why is you trying to waterfall it for? Why Why even also? How the person recording? Bro, where is this at? The whole land breaking apart. Imagine the people in that White House, like, what you supposed to do, like, just doing that moment. Like, the whole land was breaking apart. That's crazy. You know, like, that was probably the craziest one so far.
Hang on.
Oh my god! Oh my god, mommy!
Blew the whole
Oh my
trampoline.
god! Get Mike, look at your line!
There's people in there? Why look like somebody in there? They better not be in that car. Oh. Oh, they got an earthquake. Earthquakes get like that? Slipped on ice or something? She knocked out. Get up out of there. Why it look like he's smiling? Am I tripping? Look like dude smiling. So funny. He used to this. This dude running and smiling. He the only one out there smiling. That's a tornado or something? Why they moving so slow? Crazy. That was lightning.
That is incredible.
The tree is on fire.
As I've seen on YouTube when they've been hit by lightning before, I've seen the trees do it on videos, but I've never seen one for real. Yeah.
That's gonna turn into something crazy if they don't put that out. For real. That's gonna turn into a crazy fire.
Are you okay?
What he was trying to do.
Hang on, Marie, hang on.
She said. She said I can't. Wait, so what he hanging on to?
Oh, this is stupid. Oh, this is so f***ing stupid.
That's crazy.
I'm flooding the engine.
Wow.
We gotta let it go.
Would have been tight, man. He probably was already on the road. It just started doing that, like.
F***ing stupid.
But I wonder if him driving slow would have changed anything. It looked like he driving too fast.
Oh, this is so f***ing
You know, it's
stupid.
flooding like that. But
I'm
you gotta
flooding
go
the
extra.
engine.
You gotta go extra slow.
We gotta let it go. We gotta let it go, guys. Back up. Turn into it.
Oh,
Oh, boy.
but that's crazy. How happened at that exact moment? Right when they drive by.
Get your seatbelt on.
You could see, but you could see that before it even happened. They just let it happen.
Holy shit. Oh my god.
Wait, what happened? Boy started slipping on. So who fault that is? Yeah, it's gonna be his fault.
Holy shit. Oh my god.
I feel like, yeah, what if he slowed down, or why he ain't slow down? He probably could have dodged it.
Oh my god.
That's crazy. Yo, what? Why they out there trying to record for? It look like, is they out there, look, trying to like, I don't know if they got stuck while it happened, but it looked like they out there trying to record. I don't know if they let go, it's over though. Like, they probably flying over the bridge. I don't know. That went crazy. Oh, they all in their cars? Look, they not on point. They move mad late. And they wasn't on point, man. They moved mad late. I would have got up out of there. I would have been I probably would have been straight too, because I back in like most parking spots. Like, I always back in, so I would have been out of there quick.
Cheese. Smile. Yo, smile. Yo.
They laughing like
No more marshmallows, man.
they just took your food. I don't know what's happening.
We tried to find the trains.
That's crazy, flaw. Yeah, though, man. I don't know where some of these natural disasters be crazy. Like, I ain't never seen nothing like that.